Look here.
The eclipse. Please secure all loose belongings. Kindly remain seated while we continue to load the ride. For your safety, please do not walk the gondola. Keep your arms and legs inside the gondola at all times.
Hey, honey. Hi, Babs. Hello. Yee. Oh my God, no way. Oh my God.
Vanya, was that fun? You like that? Get
I saw Fiona, it's just like
Finley, how was that?
Good.
Was that good? Fiona, how was it?
Crispy na lang.
You like it? No?
Magic.
Did you like that?
Oh, crispy. Okay, let's go. Where is that?
Disco
Turn that up. There you go. There they are in the back.
Where are they?
Ooh, look at the camera, say hi. Look at the camera, say hi. Ooh. Say hi. Here we go. Whoa! Woo! Yay! No. Was that fun? You want to do it again? Yeah? Okay. Ready to write that one there? Alright. Does that look fun?
Yeah.
Fiona? Does that look fun? Alright.
Casey.
Pink.
Slow dog again. Slow dog again, no?
Oo.
Sandwich. Huh? Okay, is
Uy, huwag
enough.
mo hawakan. Yung bacon. Saan?
Slow dog sandwich.
Ay, yun na lang. Yung B1 po. Yung slow dog na lang din po pala. Slow dog na lang din po sa akin.
Walang sandwich, walang soda yon.
Okay lang po.
Mauuhaw kayo.
Ano sa?
Yung water po.
Inaw.
C1 cheese dog. Slaw.
Slow dog. Ilagay muna natin dito para picture-picture.
Got hot dogs.
Magutong sa Cara Rides. Hold on. There you go.
All these hot dogs. Delicious hot dogs.
Dog.
Mmm. Yum, 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 yum.
Tayo biking.
We're gonna go see a movie. Since we have the EK Express, we can skip the line. I love EK. Enchanted Kingdom. I got the beautiful lights over there. There you go, look at that. I love EK.
And look the elder. The green.
See the green wheel? The lights over there? Next to the
Look,
space shuttle.
the lights.
You ready for the space shuttle? Oh, is it closed? Is the space shuttle closed?
So where's the line?
Oh, looks like it's closed. Does that mean it's closed? Okay, so is this the Viking? Which one is this? Oh, the Jungle Log Man. You ready? You ready?
No, I'm not ready.
What? Why aren't you ready?
Because I don't like that one.
Do you like any of them?
No.
Well,
There he is.
Gail, look up here. Whoa!
This is so fun. Spicy.
There we go.
There he is. Ow!
Oh, that got me wet.
Shoot! My bag! My bag! My bag!
That got wet.
Bag too! Oh, dang it!
Let's see them. Are they going down behind us? Where are they at?
Can you hold it? Because someone is wet. Can you hold it?
Really, may crocodile.
I got you.
Crocodile?
You guys wet back there? You wet?
Yeah. Uy, usod-usod!
Wala na! Loko-loko!
Whoa!
Hey! Hey!
Ping, mabasayang cup mo.
Hindi! Kinupo ko yun! So,
Kaya matatagal
Ready?
na ng mga 15 seconds. Wala nga akong
you
makawakan.
ready?
Here you go for another one.
I'm the lizard king! I'm the
Arms and
lizard
legs
king!
inside the vehicle at all times.
I'm the lizard king! Bro, my shirt is wet. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, oh boy. Here we go. We're almost there.
Yep.
We're almost there.
Bro, I see everything.
Wow, look how high we are.
What the?
Whoa! Get wet again.
Oh no!
Oh no! There
No,
you
no,
go.
no, no. Oh. Oh, shoot.
Oh boy!
Shoot.
Here we go! Woo! Well, that was fun.
That was fun.
You will take the video for them.
Oops, where are they? Shoot. Hey, maybe better luck next time. Okay, Finley, you ready for this ride? Look here. Are you ready for that ride? Is that fun?
Yep.
Keep your head down. You can let your hands. So did you like that one?
Yes.
Would you do it again? Would you ride that one again?
Yes.
No?
Yes. It's so fun.
Did we do it? No.
No, not that one. Okay, Rio Grande is next, right?
Na, umuwi na tayo. Magiging kami na. Okay, I got 9%.
Are you ready to ride on this one?
Yeah.
This right here?
Yeah.
You sure? Let's see how well you do. This one looks scarier than I thought it was going to be.
But it's fun.
So did you like the space shuttle ride? Yeah? That was pretty fun, huh? That one over there? Good. Are you sure that looks fun? You like that one? Okay.
Hey.
Ano yun?
Scissor. Ayan na, mom.
Doing rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to beat each other over the head. Uh-oh.
Talo ka na naman.
Kenzie loses again. Everybody gets to smack him in the head.
Baksak!
Talos bilid, isa.
Ouch. Ow.
Ano, ayoko mong piko.
Oo, talo. Si Billy lang talo.
Ouch. Have fun?
Yes.
Oh boy. And it looks like our time at Enchanted Kingdom is coming to an end.
Did you have fun? Did you
Yeah,
guys
hold it.
fun? Did you have fun?
Yep, had fun.
Okay, that's good, huh?
How about you?
Yeah, I'm good. I am happy to see you guys.
There we go.
I'm really tired
we're going to
watching
the-
you guys.
Beth, you're tired watching us?
Yes.
Because
But
you don't
it's
want to watch
okay.
us anymore?
Oh, it's okay. I can come still,
Yeah.
but it's okay. It's okay.
Where'd everyone else
I
go?
go to the bathroom.
Oh, the
Where's the
bathroom.
ladies?
Okay. On the other side?
Yeah, okay.
Alright. Bathroom time. I have to say I like that they're playing Christmas music. And on top of it, it's actually Christ-centered Christmas music, like Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Now it's the first Noel that they're playing. If you can hear it, probably not. With all the water, sound of the water and the wind. But now they're playing the first Noel.